you doing? Hey, you want to see what $325,000 will get you here in Camdenton? Let's go take a look. Large living room. Look at this huge kitchen. Here's your furnace. Newer water heater. Who doesn't love their own private bathroom space? You can definitely park a car in here. Let's check out the upstairs. Here's your first full bathroom. Bedroom number 1 with a great view of the neighborhood. Not sure what to make of this room, but it's here. Bedroom number 2 with a great view of the backyard. Bedroom number 3, you can see the neighbors. Here's the master bedroom. Even better view of the neighborhood. Walk-in closet with window to view neighborhood. Relax in a nice jacuzzi tub or walk-in shower. Wait! We didn't look at the backyard yet. Who doesn't love a backyard with a trampoline? I'm Thomas Hale, Realtor. Give me a call or shoot me a message.